Welcome to the studio. I'm Jamie Kinkeade, and I cannot wait to bring the party to you. In our workouts, you're gonna get the most electrifying, energetic, joyful workouts you've ever experienced in your entire life. They are more like parties. You're gonna dance, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna move. We have barre, we have strength training, we have some yoga with hip hop. If you discover our workouts are exactly what your body, your soul, and your mind have been needing for so long, and you want the full experience, download our app, The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade. We believe so much in what we're doing and the lives that has changed that we offer everybody a 14-day free trial to have full access to every single thing on our app, including our daily live streams and our on-demand workouts. Could be the best 14 days of your life. You never know unless you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, go and follow us on all of our socials, and leave a comment below. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let's do this.
Don't bring your boyfriend to the club. Dolls. Pussycat, baby. We're back. Yes, sir. Your baby's in the corner. You ain't doing it for her. She's bumming, but she ain't depressed. Yes, sir. I get it, 'cause I've been her. Her body's put to shimmer. Got feelings that she can't express. No, it ain't your fault, so don't be jealous. You ain't what she wants. Don't bring your boyfriend to the club.
You know what you want.
Give the girl her girls. Give the girl the floor. Give the girl a club song, what she's dying for. Give the girl some room to put on a show. Give the girl a club song. And look at her go, 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 go. And look at her go, 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 go. That's right, the other side of the night. The music fitting skin tight. She moves like someone you don't know. That's her truest color showing. Close to 6 in the morning. The rhythm is the antidote. No, it ain't your fault, so don't be jealous. You ain't what she wants. Don't bring your boyfriend to the club.
Give up what you want.
Give the girl her girls. Give the girl the floor. Give the girl a club song, what she's dying for. Give the girl some room to put on a show. Give the girl a club song. And look at her go, 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 go. And look at her go, 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 go. PCD, baby. Yeah, ladies. Forever. Let's go. We're back. Dolls. Dolls. Forever.
I think we got it. Should we get fed to thumbnail? Yes.
Hot.